Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Also today's video is going to be about a review video. So I'm going to review here the Lakme Lumi cream. I have here with me today and I'm going to review this one. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This comes in a small packaging like this. So it looks very cute and all the contents and all the details are mentioned on the packaging. The expiry is in the March, that is 2025. I don't know why so long, because by that time it should get over. So I'm going to quickly open it, and so this is how it looks like. And as you can see, it is nice and off white creamish kind of shade, and when you open it you get the shade. Lakme Lumi Cream moisturizes and highlights your features and gives a 3D glow, bringing together the best of skincare and makeup. Lakme Lumi Cream is lightweight moisturizing cream with a hint of highlighter that highlights your features and gives an instant glow. And the best part is it's designed for all skin tones and suitable for all skin types. All you got to do is apply the cream in dots across cleansed face and neck. Gently blend using fingertips. If any contact with eyes, wash your eyes thoroughly and clean water in case of eye. The best part about this one is it kind of acts as a skincare with makeup ingredients in it, and you can use it as a highlighter as well. I think it is definitely a must-have product in every girl's travel kit or maybe every girl's makeup kit, because if you don't apply anything, you can just go with this one and you will be sorted. So if you haven't tried one, I would definitely recommend you to try one. Go and buy one for yourself. It is available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and all the sites. You can go and check and you can buy it. So this was all for today, and if you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.